This video explains how to buy shares of Materialise NV, ticker MTLS, traded on NASDAQ, and gives a quick company context focused on 3D printing for medical and industrial use. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registration, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MTLS to find the correct listing. Confirm you select the Materialise NV entry on NASDAQ. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct asset. Make sure the listing shows Materialise NV and the MTLS ticker. To place an order, choose Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completion. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio view, and you can monitor it there. Check the description for the link to the example platform.